beautiful out here in the woods. Definitely cold. Oh man, that time of year in Michigan already. Just left the truck. 35 degrees. So definitely gonna take a few minutes to get the hands warm and stuff. It's always amazing riding these trails after riding like whiskey last week.
Yeah, how wide
it's like being on the route.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I decided to take the GoPro 11 and see how it did with these colors right now here in Michigan. We are at the tail end of the peak colors. As you can see, when we get up here in the trail, everything is just absolutely beautiful.
Oh, that's awesome.
So just wanted to see how this 11 did, and as you would expect, it's an amazing camera. And today we are on Tin Cup single track in Baldwin, Michigan. And it was super cold out this day. It's changing fast here in Michigan. I think when we left the truck, like I said a minute ago, it was like 35 degrees. So warmed up pretty nice though. It was in the upper 40s. But absolutely love this trail. I love this GoPro and the way it brings out the colors. And on these new ones, coming from the GoPro 8, the stabilization on this camera is absolutely amazing, because anybody that's ridden at Tin Cup can attest to there's huge sections on this trail that are absolutely blown out by the whoops, which I love it. I love those sections, but this camera almost makes it look flat, and the only reason you can tell that I'm going through whoops here and there is from the sound of my bike. But yeah, the stabilization is just, it's unbelievable on these newer cameras anyways. So anyways, with that being said, hope you guys enjoy the footage. I think I'm gonna have one more race coming up next week, and then also we already have planned a winter trip. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe if you want to see where we end up. We got, I think, 3 different states planned. The only thing I'll say is it's down south, so subscribe if you want to see that. And with that being said, I'll let the rest of the video play out, and hopefully you guys enjoy. And I know there was a lot of people out riding this weekend. A lot of people went to Evart, which I was really tempted to go to. Kind of had to stay close to camp because I had something to do later this night, but picked a good trail for as much rain as we had. It was, like I said, it was perfect conditions. This deep sand really soaks it up. So anyways, I'll let you guys watch the rest of this video. Thanks for watching.
got rid of that huge tree. Cool looking through there.